How do we fix the Excel files not opening up on your Windows 10 and 11? Hey everybody, today we are going to guide you through the solutions for that. So without any delay, let's just dive right in. So for that, if you're accessing any kind of Excel files, you can end it up completely. Go to your task manager for that. And once you access your task manager, look out for your Excel file. Once you find the Excel file, you just need to right click on the Excel file and select the option of End Task and completely close up Excel itself as well. And then you can restart your PC because sometimes Excel just hangs and a restart should fix it. Apart from that, you can check if the Excel is disabled. So you can go over, access your Excel application, hit enter, and once you access your Excel, you can go to your document, and within your document, look out for the file option in the top and select it. And go to the option for options, go to more, select options, and within options, this menu pops up. You can go to the add-in section, and from add-ins, you can go over and uncheck all of the add-ins available. You can just go over and do so. And once that is done, you can just go over and click on OK and then restart your PC. Also restart the Excel itself and try opening up the file that may be having the issue. Apart from that, you can repair the Microsoft Office. So press Windows plus R, and once you press Windows plus R, type in appwiz.cpo and hit enter. After you hit enter, what you may do is basically look out for Microsoft Office. So find Microsoft Office here. And once you find Microsoft Office, click on it. Once you select it, select Change. And within Change, you need to select the option of yes. And you can follow up the process to make the changes. So click on yes. And you can select the option of repair. You can select the option of quick repair and click on repair and then repair it and try accessing the Excel file once again. You may just go over and do so. Apart from that, what you can do is you can open Excel in save mode. So you can just go over, close this up. And once you close it up, you may just go over and press Windows plus R and open up the Excel application in save mode. For that, you need to type in Excel /save and hit enter. And that should make you access the Excel application in save mode. And you can also try moving the file to a local drive. Sometime on OneDrive, external drive, it won't open, so you can go ahead and select it and move it to a local drive. And also update your Excel. And that's it, everybody. Those are the solutions you can follow up to fix the Excel files not opening on your Windows. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.